Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Fitbit data with Fitbit Data Export, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Fitbit website by entering www.fitbit.com in the address bar. Sign in to your Fitbit account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on the profile icon located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Data Export option on the left side. Click on Data Export to access the export options. Choose the type of data you wish to backup, such as activity logs, heart rate data, or sleep records. Select the date range for the data you want to export. After selecting the data type and date range, click on the Download button. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your download. Confirm your selection to proceed with the download. The data will be processed and prepared for download. Once the download is ready, a file will be saved to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder or the specified location. Open the file to ensure your data has been exported correctly. You can now store this file as a backup for your Fitbit data. Remember to keep your backup in a secure location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.